Welcome to Unix Lab Exercise 5. In this experiment, we have to perform file processing using shell script. So, in this experiment, we have to perform 5 questions. So, first question is find the number of occurrence of a given word character in a file using shell programming. So, let's see the program for that. So, this is the name of the program. So, here what we are doing echo enter file name. So, here we are entering the file name. So, if then dash f will check whether the file is present or not. If file is present, then we have to write what we want to search. So for that we'll initializing a variable f1. Then it will ask from the user by what you want to search, like from by word or by character. So it will take the input from the user, and according to that input, in switch case we have used switch case. So if user has entered one, so by word wise it will search the data, otherwise by character wise it will search the data. So now let's see the output of this program. So to execute, write sh dot file name dot sh, then write any txt file name, then what you want to search. Suppose I want to search CSE by word, so it will show 8. Now we'll see what is the content of save.txt. Now here we can see CSS is coming on the 8th line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we can see output is 8. So now in the next question, what we have to do, find and replace a word character in a file using shell programming. So for that also I have done one program. So this is the name of the program. So here enter pattern. So I am entering the pattern, enter replacing word. With what word I want to replace that pattern, that read r it's there, then sed I, then s means space, then g means according to space it will replace the word, then file name save.txt. So after that I am printing that file cat save.txt. Now let's see the output of this program. So sh. Now here we can see we have to write one pattern. Suppose I want to re- replace CSE with EMT. So here we can see now our output is EMT. Okay. So now after this, the next program is to display the file information with header like inode number, permission, link, owner ID, group ID, size, month, date, time, and file name for a given file. For that question, what we have to do, so this is my file name. So here I am entering the file name, then I am checking whether file exists or not, then lsi file name. So I am printing that all the details. Now I am echoing all the details like inode number. So here I am using cut command. So field 1, then permission I am saying I am cut command with delimiter space, field 2 like that, link field 3, owner id link 4, then group id field 5, size field 6, like that, file name field 10. Then after that, if this if statement is not executed, is its condition is wrong, then it will print, else echo file doesn't exist. So now let's see the output of this program. So so here we have to give some file name. So I will give save.txt. So here we can see the output. So this is what we have printed, lsi, then afterward inode number, permission, link, owner id, group id, size, then month, date, time, and file name. All these things we have executed. Now in the next question, what we have to find, display the username, terminal number, date, time, IP address for the given username. Also display the number of times the user logged in. For that question, so vi x4.sh. So this is that program. So I'm I'm taking the command and I'm storing it in one variable, then echo username who am I, then cut using cut delimiter space, then field 1 like that, field 2, field 10, field 11, field 12. So for that, username, terminal, date, time, IP address I will get in this program. So now let's see the output of this program. So here we can see username, that your 14CS304 terminal, then date and time, then IP address. Now in the last question, what we have to do, we have to display the login information from the file, etc password, list the username, then display the login information like username, password, user ID, group ID, full name, directory and shell name for the given username. So in this program, same thing we have to do. So vi ex5 dot sh. So this is the program displaying the log of users. So user cat, then this was the directory, then cut f1, then select the user from the above list. So I am getting the user from user details from the user, then echoing username, then password, like same thing I have used cut command with field 1, field 2, field 3 up to like field 7. So shell name field 7, directory field 6. So now let's see the output of this program. So here we have to give something, so I will give root. So here we can see username, root operator, password xx, then user id, group id, full name, directory, shell name. And so this was the experiment number 5 in Unix lab. So thank you for watching this video.